Hello, guys. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi, Aditi.
What's up? What's happening? So, what's the status?
So we are almost done with the secondary research, and yeah, we were just like combining the heuristics evaluation and secondary research and analyzing right now.
Okay. Can you um, quickly show me your document? You guys should
Yeah.
ramp up and quickly start your primary research. Um are you finding users?
We have not started finding. Actually, we were just trying to do that journey mapping thing so that we can all come in that one space, what all have done and is.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. Let me quickly check.
So I shared my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we made heuristic assumptions and non-heuristic assumptions. Um, yeah. I would still refine it by tomorrow, but right now we are like putting the structure, and yeah, later on we'll refine it.
Can you also show the Figma file?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these
So,
are the non-heuristic assumptions.
Okay.
like two teams were working.
Yeah.
Somebody, like two, three were working on secondary research, and the others were doing
What
heuristic
in heuristic
evaluation.
assumptions? You understood? You guys understood the heuristics, right?
Yeah.
Can you show me? Because I don't see the heuristics mentioned there.
It's there, Dhruva, the way we were doing things.
Yeah. I'm sharing
Just
the
go on the
Figma.
map. Just go on the map.
Can you repeat?
Just go on the map. Like uh, where all the screens are laid out there on the right side.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you speak out the heuristic related problems which you identified here?
Yeah. Um. So for the onboarding screens, the principle that we found out, which was missing in iOS, but later on we found that it was present in Android applications, was that here there are other principles satisfied, but there is an option lacking where we can skip or uh, you skip through the onboarding and just get started with the app. So we then found out the principle of user control and freedom is lacking here in the
Okay,
onboarding screens.
okay, good. Don't say
Yeah.
lacking or something.
Hmm.
See, all of you should understand heuristics are there for you to guide you to understand what can be done better. Okay. Uh, we should not take heuristic principles as traffic rules and say that rule is not being followed or not like that. Take them as
Hmm.
guiding principles. Okay, good observation. Definitely, user control of freedom, not proper exit points and all. Okay, then anything else? Quickly, I mean, don't have to
Yeah.
explain so much. Just tell me the
Right.
principle and what's wrong. That's it.
Yeah. Then for the sign in, we didn't find any because it was and yeah.
Okay.
And anyone wants to take over?
Okay,
I'll
yeah,
just.
I'll go over. So for the sign in and sign up, we couldn't find anything related to heuristics, but we did find something that was based on our intuition.
Uh huh.
But once we got into creating the profile and getting to the main page, we
Mm-hmm. Hmm. Instead of saying no profile icon, because you don't like, because I understand people are expecting consistent and standard experiences, because of which you feel that there is a profile icon on the top would be more intuitive to customers. That is a better way of putting it down. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
because not having profile icon cannot be stated as a problem, because you know, um, there's no mandatory. It's not mandate that it should be there, right?
Yes.
Huh. Uh, Aesthetic and minimal design is also an important heuristic. Um, so you should be getting some insights from aesthetic and minimal design for the sign in and sign up flows as well. By the way, did I ask you to is the sign in and sign up flows part of the scope?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, no, yes, yes, you didn't.
I understand. Where is,
I
see, the scope, the things which are not in scope don't spend too much time, because you'll end up where is this? Huh. It is there. Yours Rapido, no? Yeah, I've written. Sign up and
yeah.
sign in, I've written here. Then it's fine. Sign in and sign up, home, product, and booking review. Okay, good, good, good. If it is there, then do it. Hmm.
Yeah, it's in our problem statement only.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Can you show the request OTP screen once quickly?
Yeah.
Hmm. ठीक है. Um, Fine, you can see visibility of system status can be made better also here. So yeah, not a problem. Go and show the flow where people have to mm, yeah, send items.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, see, heuristics will give you some problems, but you should also stick to what is the. I just read your problem statement again. You have to stick to the scope of sending local items. So you don't have to worry about you know people not being able to sign up, or like some issue there. I think you should focus more on what is relevant to sending items, which is not which is not really on the sign up and sign in page and all that. See, because I give you a clue, I want you to come up with solutions in such a way that as people sign up or after sign in, not during
Hmm.
probably, but as soon as they sign up or sign in, they should have better visibility for sending local items. Got it? Your group must solve that problem. Okay. So please make sure your insights are also relevant. Okay.
Yes,
Mm.
yes, it will take care.
Mm. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
uh, Show your secondary research quickly.
Yeah.
Okay, you're bringing some statistical insights. That's fine. Can you go to the top ones?
Yeah.
This heuristic evaluation and non-heuristic assumptions. Uh,
Yeah.
First,
Okay.
our heuristic hypothesis is to improve. Okay, to contrast of subheadings on the assumption is that users might find it difficult to read and understand. What is the heuristic here? Write it with respect to heuristics. Okay. Huh. Also, did you frame your hypothesis statements?
No. So we still have to refine the
Hmm.
documentation.
Got it, no problem. Make sure
Yeah.
you have your hypothesis statements ready.
Before
So
doing primary research.
before doing primary research, in the example they have stated the in the example have they stated the hypothesis statements?
Yes, yes, we have done it before. Like, we made hypothesis statements before going for primary research.
Huh. So yes, okay. So people should work parallelly on that. Some people should work on getting users. Some people should get work on um, making the discussion guide for the usability test. That is the primary research, and few people should work on finalizing the hypothesis statements. Yeah. Uh,
Okay.
but yeah. Okay. Awesome, guys. This is good. Uh, Go ahead. Okay. I'll be jumping to another
Anandip,
group.
I want to
Yeah.
talk with you for like 2 minutes.
Go ahead quickly.
Uh, like, can we come on different VC for 1 minute?
Yeah. Or we'll do one thing. Let me finish my check and then I we can do this. Okay.
So yeah, yeah, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello everyone.
Hi Anudeep.
Yeah. What's happening?
We are documenting as well as doing the competitor scanning, benchmarking,
Yeah. Quickly
and
show me your quick, first. Tell me your status. Up to where or where are you done?
research. Secondary research is going on right now, almost on the verge of
Yeah.
completing.
ठीक है. Ramp it up faster. There should be few members of your team who should already be preparing for primary research and
Yeah.
making the discussion guide ready for your usability test for in your primary research or whatever the discussion guide meaning the guide, preparation for primary research should start happening. Okay. um, yeah, quickly show me your heuristic evaluation.
Okay. So one second.
By the way, did
Uh,
did Rahul or anyone jump into your groups until now?
yeah, yeah, he did in the
Yeah,
beginning.
easy. Batul also did this.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can
Okay.
you show your heuristics?
This is, they are here. One second.
Huh.
Cool. So we validated some three of them, top three of them. Sorry, we evaluated on the basis of three heuristics. Can you see the screen right
I
now?
can see.
Okay. So here,
Why only three
you,
heuristics?
No, no, not only three.
okay, wait. I'll just tell you which ones we did. Okay. So the flow that we took was the search flow from going to Agio app, clicking on the search bar, searching something, going to the product listing, and adding or using filters. So this is our flow. In this flow, we had the third screen where you type the where the user will type the t-shirts, and this will be the entire flow that we had. Like come to the app, type t-shirts, listing, etc. In this screen, we had the heuristic principle 3 where the user didn't feel the freedom to delete what they have typed. So if they press cross, they will come back to the home page. So which is why we wrote that with respect to back button, cross button, and search history suggestion, user does not have much
Hmm.
freedom and choices here. Then in these entire three flows, so this is basically these two are the
You're mentioning the
flows
heuristic and you're mentioning the insight from it, right?
problem. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. It can be problem or opportunity as well.
Yeah, opportunities we have, we put it also, but we have put it in a separate sheet where we have written
Okay.
opportunities for ideation purpose.
Okay, no worries. Can you show me your documentation?
Yeah. Uh, so okay. Um, this is our problem statement.
Who,
Then
what am I
in the
watching?
documentation. you're not able to see this? Yeah.
Oh, until now I was watching Sheetal's screen. Oh, it's okay, no problem.
No, no, Pragya's screen name.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, 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 go ahead.
Okay. So this is our problem statement. We have put in. We are starting with the problem
Yeah.
statement. Then after the problem statement, we did information mapping. This is a screenshot I've taken from Figma. So which I have mentioned
Don't
you
explain too much.
like.
Just no. Just scroll through.
Okay, good, good.
Yeah.
Then after that, we entered the uh,
Uh huh.
user flow, and then we are documenting SHEs and everything,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
like all the
Do
same.
it quickly. You have to parallelly do it. Okay.
Yeah,
There should be someone
and
who is continuously filling in the documentation. Use the workbooks. No, you're using the workbooks, right?
Anudeep, if you one, it's all done, it's filled.
Anudeep, these are also the benchmarking that we are doing right now. So after the heuristics and the DTFPO, we made our hypothesis and that we are backing by competitor or also non-competitor like Instagram and Pinterest, etc. So Mitra, H&M, Instagram, we have taken all three for benchmark. Yeah, non-competitor.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cool. That's good. So this is good for your secondary research. Gear up and start off your primary research, and gear up on your
Yeah,
documentation. I hardly see anything on your Notion, so please also start
yeah, yeah.
documenting. Yeah, use the workbooks as a framework so that you will be able to document in a much better
Uh,
manner.
Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah, Anudeep.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
cool.
Anudeep, just one thing I feel Notion document is going a bit slow. So is it okay if we don't detail
Sorry, can't hear you.
it in detail what those steps are and what we have done?
Sorry, due to my internet, I lost you guys for a second. Can you quickly repeat again?
Yeah, yeah. So I was saying that it's Notion documentation is little time consuming. So is it okay if we just mention the steps and what we are doing and not in details that we found this research, we found this hypothesis, we had this and then we backed it by that? Or should do we have to do that?
See, the documentation is important because you will be evaluated based on your report, and you have to make the video basis your report.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Because
So it needs
I
to be
can't
like,
understand your FigJam files, right? I mean, it's good, but how will I understand the story from your FigJam file?
yeah,
So the
okay,
reasoning
fair
why you
enough.
did, from where you came, and all that is important. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
See, I mean,
right.
see, ideally you can say, Anudeep, I can choose to explain everything on FigJam, but it's not easier. That's the point.
Yeah,
The story should fall in
oh,
for sure. Why this? Why that? It should happen for sure. Okay. Obviously, when you make a video, you will be doing a combination of report plus wherever the diagram is, you will go to the FigJam part and explain it. But the documentation is important. Okay. Again, use your guys' judgment and see how you will do it. Uh, Also, finishing the project
Anudeep,
is also important.
on the workbooks help, like we made workbooks in a very detailed manner.
Mm-hmm.
So I
So just put
maybe
that
that's
only in
something we
the doc. Whatever you're putting in the workbook, just put it in the in the Notion doc. That's it.
maybe we are concentrating so much on exam and workbook at the time and we,
Huh,
like
see, whatever you're putting on the workbook, just take that and copy paste in the Notion. That's it. Nothing else I want.
uh,
Just
okay.
write it down, like why you did it and all that. Anyway, that will also be there in the workbook, asking you to write why, asking you to put this and all. Just put it on the on FigJam. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Anurag, Anudeep,
cool,
hello.
cool.
yeah.
Actually, I just want to ask that do we have to, in the progress checking, do we have to show the Notion page or workbook?
You have showed no just now. Over
No,
your
no,
progress check is over.
I am from the different group.
Oh, who is asking?
Shapir.
You have to show both, man.
Okay.
You have to show both. You have to show Notion and the um and exam file. Okay, both needs to happen parallelly. I'll come back.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Just use your workbooks and use it as a reference to fill up your Notion doc. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
awesome. So see you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Gathered our insights from heuristic
Hi
evaluation.
Anudeep.
Hey
Hey,
everyone,
Rajut.
hi Anudeep.
how are you all doing? Quickly, let me see the status of your work. Yeah.
Yeah. So Anudeep, we first did a plan of
What is?
action.
Where are you? No, no, no. Where are you right now? Where are you all right now?
We are at our second day. So there are two things going parallel. We are trying to gather all the insights. We are trying to collate all the insights from heuristic evolution, from our intuition, and from secondary research, and also competitor research. And Sana or me now going to do one more competitor research. We have done two.
Yeah.
We think on one more, so we are doing that now.
Okay, good to hear that. You should also ramp up and quickly start your primary research as well. Uh, yeah, should get started and start getting insights. So start preparing the preparation for primary research, and yeah, just speed up. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Show me your Notion doc.
Is it is it visible?
No, I can only see your.
Rajut, your screen is stuck on FigJam.
Ah, yeah.
Can you
Exactly. No.
try resharing?
Sana, वो Notion doc को do a share to web and share it with Anudeep.
Someone else share it, no? If not, Keshav.
Anudeep, we had a short debate. Okay, what we want to do now that we have all the insights from the research, should we do a ideation on it, or we should directly move to primary research?
Your
Only
hypothesis statement
validation.
has two parts, right? Ideation need not be too strong. You can just write indicative things, but your hypothesis statements has both the parts, right? The problem and the solution part. You can write indicatively. That's enough. Okay.
Is
Okay.
my screen shared?
No. Can you try again?
Yeah, try.
It's going away. Anyone else can do that? Keshav, try again. Keshav, can you try again?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there it is.
Yeah. Can you go to the top?
Yeah.
Plan of action is there, and then the casual crew. What is this?
It's our
We selected a
Yeah.
name.
Can you show me your problem statement?
yeah.
Quick, dude. I don't have a lot of time. Scroll
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Yeah, man. It's
Rajut,
stuck.
problem statement open.
No, it's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck.
Keep
My screen is stuck. Acha, Sana, can you share a link, that Notion doc link with Anudeep?
that I have anyway. You submitted, right? Can anyone else share your screen?
I'm
I'll
sharing my
try
screen.
again.
I'm trying to watch Sana.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Mm,
Every screen is loading.
Sana's screen is
Bhavna
not
try
loading.
again.
Bhavana's screen.
Ah,
Mine has
coming
loaded.
to Bhavana's screen. I came to Bhavana's screen. Yes. I'm looking at Bhavana's screen. Everyone can come there. So problem statement you have noted down. Okay, flow you have kept. Go down. You wrote the reasons to choose, which is good. Category of the problem statement. All this is good. Goal. Okay, great. Understanding the business and the user, very good. Go down, go down. Breaking down the problem statement. Um, yes, identified problems identified in self-heuristic evaluation. Um Good. Are these problems relevant to the problem you're solving,
Yeah,
or
they
are
are.
these problems? See, there can be 100 other problems with respect to the flow or to the screen, but the problems relevant to your problem are the only things which you are considering. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Because you are working on which one? Which part is this? Oyo.
Oh, yo.
In Oyo, what is the scope I have given? Only wizard booking, right?
Wizard
Yeah.
booking.
So yes, yes. No problem.
That is how we are also, constructed our secondary research. Okay, we want to see कि loyalty program में क्या हो रहा है, what other competitors are
Huh.
doing it, and what we
I
also
understand.
consider
Go down, go down, go
competition.
down, go down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. That is good only. You should bring competitor research, image competitors and non-image competitors. Both you should bring, right? Okay. Go down, go down. Show me your secondary research.
Secondary research is another page.
No
You
worries.
can.
No, it's for now it's scattered. We haven't
Huh.
properly documented it. Most of it is in
Yeah, no
PDF.
worries, no worries. It can be scattered. So there is competitor research here. Uh, Also, is there statistical article based any research?
A
Yeah, we have found
few,
couple
few
of
are there,
points.
not much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not
Okay. Cool.
many.
Cool. 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 But both you are doing no competitors and
Yeah, yeah.
the other part also. Awesome.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Document
Competitors
this
are.
part a little bit better.
Okay.
Okay.
Have everything in the. Obviously now different teams are working on different stuff, but ultimately keep filling in the main documentation part as well. Okay.
Okay.
Quickly show me your FigJam file. Yeah. FigJam file. Show me your diagrams. The first diagram A1. Yeah.
Yes, now.
Okay. Then you have A2. Okay. Good. A3. Okay. A4 and hypothesis is written. Okay, fine. Is there any other diagram?
No,
Secondary
not
research you are still
that.
making, intuition based and all. Okay, no problem. Got. Awesome. Great work, guys. Good, great work. But ramp up. You need to quickly go
They
to the
have
primary research.
written the competitor
Yeah, yeah. This is
research.
also good. Good, good, very good. Yeah, awesome. Yeah. See you guys. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, Nidhi.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone.
Hello,
Hi,
sir.
good morning.
Yes. How are you all doing?
Yeah, good, good.
Yeah. So all of you can quickly, yeah, come on video and someone should share your screen. Share your screen quickly. We'll be checking
Yeah,
your
I'll share it.
progress. Yes. Up to where did you guys finish?
Yeah.
We started with research right now. We're doing the
Which
competitor
research?
and cognitive research. Two people are doing, and the rest of us are doing the secondary test research.
Okay, fine. That is good. But yeah, you need to guys ramp up, do it a little bit more quickly, and arrive at the primary research. Um, so, are you guys on track?
Mm,
Are you guys on track with respect to timelines?
We're
sort of.
lagging a bit. Yeah, we
Hmm.
are
We're a
lagging
little
a bit.
bit lagging behind.
Hmm. Okay, so you'll have to do quickly because 5 p.m. you have to finish your primary research. It will take some
Yeah.
time, so that's fine. Okay, quickly show me your Notion document first.
Okay.
Notion document. Okay, good. Your timelines and roles and all that. Okay, good that you're tracking it. Go down. Show me your problem statement.
So a problem
It's part of the
statement,
workbook.
that's in the workbook.
Uh, okay, show me.
Mm, okay.
Not in the workbook. It has to be there in the Notion. No, you have to put it on Notion. I'm not going to read your workbooks. Yeah.
Okay, so
So it's not there yet.
Mm. You'll have to put it on your Notion. Okay. You have to put all the documentation on your Notion parallelly. Okay.
okay.
Uh, you need to put just use the workbooks, right? What, let us say workbook asks you to do that, just copy that and paste it over here. Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
So you write the problem statement, then you need to write down your understanding, like, and then the business side of it, user side of it, then okay. uh, Heuristic evaluation, have you documented it here?
No,
Uh,
it's
We
in
have
the
filled
jam.
Not
the
FigJam.
workbook.
First let me review the Notion. FigJam, I'll come to FigJam.
okay, but
uh,
we have done all the hypotheses in FilJam only.
okay.
Like we have just
It's all
fixed it
right
in
now.
there.
Everything's there on the FigJam and Word doc.
Yeah, then guys should really ramp up and quickly do the documentation. Your documentation is what will be evaluated. Good job on the FigJam, I understand that, but you need to document as well, as I indicated,
Okay.
right? You need to write the story. If the diagrams are not just enough for me to understand what you are doing, why you are doing, right? The story needs to be built. So very simple, guys. Just use the workbooks. Write, fill up the workbooks, copy paste from the workbooks and put it here. That's it. Got it?
So the
All
workbook
right.
is filled up till build your hypothesis, like till point three
Show
is
me, show me,
done.
show me. I'll quickly
I've
guide you.
pasted the link in the chat over here.
Open it, no? Open it and show me. Yeah. So what you have to do is, that's it. Okay, good. Go to the top. Go to the first one. First exercise. That's it. Put problem statement is this. You just say this is our problem statement. Then go down next exercise. This is the
So
reason we
basically, do
selected
we
the problem
write
statement.
Notion like how we write Medium?
That's it. That's it. You need to.
Okay.
Okay, and this is an evaluative problem statement. This is what we understood from the business. This is what we understood from the user. Right? You have to convert this into a narrative tone.
Okay.
Right? Go down, go down. Yeah, then easy, guys. Just 5 minutes job. Okay.
Just copy paste, right?
Copy paste everything. This is what is there. This is the link. This is how we planned. Right? Yeah. These are all the assumptions. Whatever. These are our hypothesis statements. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
The story needs to be woven. That's it. Because people need to understand what you're doing. Okay. So
Okay.
good. Now show me your FigJam file. Yeah, show me from the first diagram A1, diagram A1. Okay, you have the whole flow, micro and macro flow represented over here. Great, very good. Diagram A2.
You too.
Very nice. Can you give me examples of two or three heuristic based problems and opportunities you noted down?
Yeah. So, for example, over here on the screen, they have just given two types, select your salon and classic and prime, but not telling the user or communicating or giving any documentation as to what these two types are, or will they offer the same sort of service or different.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of real estate on the screen is wasted with this very static image and
Mm-hmm.
like a lot of blank space.
Got it,
So
got
we
it.
have covered this under help and
Good,
documentation
good one, good
referencing.
one. Yeah,
Even
next.
the next screen match between this real world and the system.
So
Mm-hmm.
like
Yeah.
the icons are like repetitive
They
and
don't
it
convey the
doesn't feel
message.
interesting to a
Got
user.
it, got it. Good ones. But I want to add a little bit point. You need to also focus on what the goal of your project is. What is the goal of your project?
To increase the average order value.
That is there. Business goal is fine. What is the main thing? Customizable
Yeah, help
packages, right?
customize better packages.
Customizing the package.
Yeah. So you have to relate everything back to that. Okay.
Yeah,
See,
yeah.
there can be 100
Okay.
things which you can make this page better with, but that's not the whole point, right? You need to make sure that it supports customizable package, not just in the section where you are customizing the package.
Mm-hmm.
Even in the home screen, let us say visibility of system status you can take as a heuristic, and you have no status or visibility about customizing a package in the home screen. or in the second screen,
Yeah.
whatever you showed, like that salon go there.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's not there, right?
Hmm.
So like that, you have to think with respect to the flow also.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
that's fine anyway. It'll anyway happen as you do your primary research as well. Okay, so focus more on the flow, on what you are trying to solve for, and identify opportunities in multiple places. Okay,
Hmm.
so good job here. Okay, show me a diagram A3.
A3.
Non-heuristic based. Okay, no problem. This
Hypothesis.
can be your intuition based. This is where you can fill up a little bit more with respect to the flow and all that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Again, don't restrict yourself only to building a package. Okay.
Hmm.
Huh. But that's fine anyway. What is this? A4. What is this?
These are all the hypotheses.
Hypothesis.
Hypothesis written. Yeah.
Hypothesis.
Building your hypothesis.
Okay. Okay. Good. 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 You're written hypothesis statements, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful. Well done. So, any other diagram?
No,
You're
as of
done till
now,
here.
these
Okay. Done.
part of work one.
And below is the competitive research. That's it.
Yeah.
Below this.
Show me competitor research.
In progress, Anubhav.
No problem.
You,
Just
you can just zoom it and show.
yeah. Cool. Cool. You are taking screenshots and you are trying to get in some inspiration. Okay. No worries. Thank you. Okay. That's great. Okay. Documentation and ramp up primary research. But yeah, great progress for sure. Okay.
Anudeep, one question.
Yeah.
So for secondary research, right now what we're doing is we are just going to Google and searching for whatever relevant articles we can find.
Yeah. That's one part. Competitor research is also a part of the secondary research, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Should be
for
doing
the
that also.
secondary,
Hmm.
yeah, so one is this way, and one is the competitive research that two people are doing.
Hmm.
Other than this, is there any other way that we can do this desk research part?
Why?
I mean, because a lot of points are very common in
That's
a
fine.
lot of
See,
articles.
obviously you will not, it's very difficult to get very specific points, but just get the pointers. If in any way they can help you, just take them. If not, don't take them. That's it. That's how secondary research works. Got it?
Okay.
Okay.
And it need not be only from competitors, the same product. It can be from non-direct competitors, any other patterns. You might find that some other place, you know, mm, Swiggy finds that people are customizing their orders to increase their average order value, um, and you found some insight there. You can bring that and use it as a
Okay.
point here.
Okay. Okay.
Non-related, but in a similar pattern. You got it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, cool. There'll be a lot of irrelevant data in your secondary research.
Yeah.
You don't have to put everything and make sense of it. Okay?
Okay.
Use whatever it makes sense. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Cool. Thank you, guys. Awesome. Very good progress. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Anubhav. Thank
Hello, everyone. Digi5. Digi5. Hello. Are you there?
Hello, no, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Please, please
Yeah,
come on
I'm
video
fine.
and quickly. Yeah. You don't have time. Yeah. Yes. What's Neha? Yoga cancelled. Anyway. Okay. Quickly. Status. Where are you guys? Someone should share your screen, and by the time, please tell me what, how you finished. Can't listen. Who's anyway? Go ahead. Who is telling me status?
Okay, should I?
One person share the screen. One person tell me what's the status.
Yeah, we are doing competitive research and desk research. So
Okay.
it actually in the secondary research phase,
Huh.
and yeah, we are silently doing that
Okay. Good.
till
Uh,
now.
Fine. Quickly ramp up. You have to start the primary research. Time is very critical. Okay. Go ahead. Show me your. Please, someone share your screen. First, show me your Notion document.
Sneha,
Sneha?
Yeah, 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 yeah. One second, Nirva. Just too many files open.
So, um, are you guys chatting on a different platform?
No, no, no.
Here only, no? Yeah, you're using this only, right?
We're just performing certain tasks side by side. So
Yeah.
Doing that desk research.
Okay, show me. Yes, you have problem statement. Reason why you chose a problem statement. Okay, scroll down, scroll down. Business and understanding the problem statement and stuff. Something you wrote, but anyway, no problem. Go down. What else? That's it. What is this?
You're updating the workbooks.
Show me your workbooks quickly. Please, your documentation is the most important thing. You have to make a video based on that. I'll be evaluating based on the documentation. Uh, so it's very simple, guys. Whatever is there in the workbook, you have to just put it over here, building a story, just like you write the case study. Okay.
Actually, we had an issue with the Notion file actually, so we are redoing it.
What is the issue?
Something like she was not able to edit it in the halfway.
You want me to give a Notion document to you which you can edit because I have a plan. I have a paid plan with Notion.
With the workbook, and then they know.
Sorry?
Okay, is that something with the trial version? I was thinking that is that the trial version problem?
Can't hear you, Sneha.
Internet is shaky. See, if your team has the problem with Notion, I'll create a Notion Notion page and give you, and you can utilize that. Okay?
Okay, sure.
You want me to do it?
Not really,
But I
but
need I need to see your documentation for sure. Okay?
yeah, yeah, yeah. You'll see it. Yeah.
Okay? Yeah,
Okay.
just ramp up and show me your documentation. Okay, quickly go down, show me all the things which you have filled in the workbook. So you just have to write that this is our problem statement, this is what is the reason for our problem
Yeah, yeah.
statement. uh, right, these are the things which are points related to heuristics, these are the things which are not specific to heuristics, right? This is the
Yeah,
diagram A1, like that, that's it. And you have to
yeah, yeah, yeah.
match the stitch the story, that's it. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Mm.
Yeah, the workbook is done, Anandeep. I just have to put it in Notion. That'll be done.
Mm.
That'll be done.
Mm. Okay.
Just put in
Okay.
all
Good.
the
Good. Good. Good.
highlights.
Good. Yeah. Quickly show me your FigJam document.
Yeah,
Right.
I'm not able to open my Figma. It's having some issues. Can someone else open it?
Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait.
Okay.
Where am I? Okay.
Yeah. Show me a diagram A1. This is a Windows laptop. Mm. Yeah. Okay.
This is
Show me a diagram A1. Okay. You have screenshots of the flow, macro flow, micro flow, all that. Okay. Very good. Diagram A2. Yeah. Lot of plotting based on heuristics. Okay. Very good. Uh, See, one point you have to remember when you do heuristic evaluation, there can be hundreds of issues which can come with respect to a particular screen, but you need to also be cautious about what you are solving for, right? If you are focusing only on what do you say, booking, sorry, logging a meal, right? And improving what DAUs? What's the
Yeah, yeah,
DAUs and bounce rate? Huh?
yeah.
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 Yeah, so you have to focus on that, then your whatever your insights you're getting from the heuristics should be relevant to that. Okay. Probably not everything will be totally relevant, but you should make sure that most of them are relevant. Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, like when you see, when you're starting with a home screen, you'll be finding that something, some search bar in some home screen is not functioning properly. But is it relevant to the flow you are solving? If not, don't worry about it. That's what I'm trying to say.
The problem here, what we found, Anudhi, was that every screen there is too much things which is making people confusing. So it was little tough for us to narrow it down to what specific things
Hmm.
can be made, because
It
every
literally took us 2 to 3 hours to understand the app.
app, it was really
Beautiful,
confusing.
minimalistic, aesthetic, and minimal design.
Yeah, but this is very complex.
Yeah,
So
what I'm
that
saying
is
is that heuristic is straightforward, humiliated.
correct.
Yeah,
Yeah, so bad, so bad. We got
it's
headache
okay.
only.
It's okay. It's okay. Cool. You don't have to get emotional about it, but yeah, go ahead, Sumant.
There are no signifiers at all in the app. Like we are not even understanding what is a CTA and what is not a CTA.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. Good, 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 good. Do all this.
Yeah.
Let's go and pitch this to
So
Healthify
this
Me.
was the final, yeah, this was the final hypothesis we came up with, which is already written in the book also. So it is
Yeah,
A4, and we are currently doing the research. Each individual was doing research, second research, primary, sorry,
yeah. Show me a diagram
this
A2.
research and
Sorry, sorry. Show me a diagram A3. A3.
A3, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, just a second. Hello. Hello. हाँ. Internet connection slow है. हाँ. हाँ. Okay. Uh, yeah. This is a diagram A3. Yeah. A2. A3.
Yes, yes, A3.
Okay. Yeah. Show me a diagram A4. You're still building this? Still.
No, done, done.
No.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Awesome. Okay. Yeah. That should be good. Okay, guys. Ramp up quickly. Do your primary research. Start with your primary research preparation for primaries. All that. It's around 1:30. Should finish it up by 5 p.m. Okay. It'll take some time. So quick, 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 and also have fun. But yeah. Yeah. Mm.
Fun. Half 30 minutes is left, I think.
Mm. Good, 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 good. Also manage your sleep. Yeah, it's important. Okay. Steve,
Yeah.
who is the UI champ in your team?
Uh,
I think
Teja and
Alteja has
yeah.
Saiteja can
No,
do it. Yeah, yeah,
I'm also
Saiteja.
idea of.
excited you
Yeah.
can do.
Awesome. Saiteja should be available though.
Yeah, yeah.
IndusInd Bank should not call him tomorrow.
Kotak Bank.
Kotak, sorry. Hmm. Anyway, see you guys. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye.
you.
You have also
Hello,
there some.
DJ6.
Hello.
Hey, Anudev.
Yeah, how are
Hi.
you all? Come on, video quickly.
Okay.
Yeah. So, someone please share your screen, and by the time you share the screen, please let me know what's your status. Until what? Until
We
what?
are currently working on, I forgot. We are currently working on primary research. No, primary research,
We
yes.
start
Secondary research is
primary
on.
research.
We just started primary research,
Okay,
yes.
that's good. What,
Yeah.
Harsha? You had no sleep at all.
No.
No.
Take some rest. Take some rest. It is,
Yeah.
you can't
Yeah. Cool,
completely.
cool.
You have to
I'll
take
sleep now.
turns, and you have to take rest. Okay.
Yeah, I'll eat now and sleep now after talking to you.
Yeah. 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 Cool.
So,
Show me your Notion document first.
Notion document is here, uh,
Mm.
which basically,
Can you expand that?
yeah, definitely.
Mm. didn't do
So,
anything better. But anyway,
what?
why are the borders like so crunched? Why do you have so much
These
padding?
ones? No, this is nothing. This okay. Mine is a very big 24-inch screen.
Ah, that's the reason.
So,
Okay.
uh,
Uh, okay, okay, fine. No, not a problem. Uh, yes, you have. One second, one second. From the top, you have your problem statement. Hey, can you switch it to white by any quickly because it's very difficult.
is it okay?
Just change the theme. Just change your computer's theme to
Yeah.
light mode.
No, that mine is not set at oh uh like system default. I actually need to change it. I'll just change it. Give me a second. Uh, settings. Oh, my account actually. Theme would be somewhere here. Okay, where is this theme?
Next hackathon, let's fix Notion.
This is light.
हाँ ठीक है
Yeah.
done. Okay, thank you. uh okay, so yeah, let's go from the start. You have the problem. Did you write the problem statement?
Yeah, we wrote.
So problem statement, reason you picked the problem statement, all this is good. Understanding the problem statement, you also wrote understanding the user business, all that. Okay, good. Go down, show your heuristic evaluation. Okay. Can you highlight one or two heuristics which gave some pointers?
Here, all the package details of original product are not being shown, like expiry date, ingredients list, and nutrition tables.
Uh-huh.
Match between system and the real world
Acha.
is not being met. Uh,
Uh, this is
Here,
what's the problem? What's the problem statement?
problem
One second. Go to your problem statement once.
Zep. Problem is Zepto.
In Zepto, what? Zepto
Increase
is
the
fine.
cart value, and it would be the cart flow, the overall cart flow, and to increase the
Cart building, right? Cart.
average order value and retention.
Yeah, got it. So one thing is, all the insights and everything you do should be relevant to that. That's clear, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, because when
yeah.
you
So basically, since lack of information here, a particular user may not actually prefer to buy from this application and rather go to an actual store on a
no, I
different
understand.
application.
What I'm
That
trying to
is
say
the
is,
insight. Yes.
sometimes what happens is when you're doing a heuristic evaluation, you will find some point. Let us say, oh, there is no documentation here, help and documentation, but that point is not relevant to your problem or the area
Exactly.
of your
Yes.
focus, right? So you don't have to worry about it. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay,
Understood.
good job on this. Go down, just go down. Show me the next step. Problems you identified with not respect to heuristics. Oh, you gave severity scale
Very
for this
less.
also. ठीक है.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, heuristics are so rigid. If heuristics are rigid, then yeah. But you have to
Yeah.
probably have to think, use more intuition, right? More opportunistic kind of stuffs in the intuition based stuff, right? Think of this could have been done, that could have been done, stuff like that. Anyway, you finalize your hypothesis.
We actually use a lot of time for the hypothesis part and non-heuristic parts that we just really don't want to go
After
ahead and
after what I explained yesterday, I think you guys were mind blown regarding what needs to be done in
yeah,
heuristics.
exactly, definitely. I was like, any problem you find, it is fitting somewhere or the other in
Yeah,
heuristic. I
done,
was
done, done,
like,
done.
who is this
Good.
guy?
Mm.
So
Go down,
yeah,
go down. Yeah,
yeah.
go down.
Then
Finalizing.
we finalized that we wrote the same points, the solution and the problem, stated
Okay,
it properly here.
go ahead, go ahead.
And then
Secondary
secondary
research, you have
research.
some desk research insights. Okay,
Yeah,
do you have competitor
yeah,
research?
yeah. We have competitive research. We did direct, indirect,
Direct,
potential, and
indirect.
substitute
Okay, potential.
potential.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine,
And
very good.
we actually put those things in Figma.
One second, I'll get to your fig jam. Do you that's the end of your thing? Is that the end of the documentation?
Yeah,
Cool,
they
cool.
actually worked on primary research also. I don't know how they wrote it in Figma only. This is the end of
We
Notion.
wrote it in
Huh.
Figma.
No problem. You can also start documenting it. Good that you started primary research. I was about to say ramp up and start primary research because it will take some time and it will
Yes.
consume a lot of time. But yes, okay. Go to your fig jam. Yeah, show me diagram A1.
diagram A1.
Okay. Okay, screenshots of the
Uh,
flow diagram. Yes, very good. Yeah, diagram A2. You're not confused
A2
in the
is,
flow,
yeah.
right? You're not taking too many things, right?
No, no, no,
Huh. Huh.
no. The card flow, and I mean, this the main
Yeah,
screenplay
yeah,
is
that's
so
fine.
big actually. I was like,
No, I
what is this
understand.
app?
I understand. I understand.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
okay, cool. Very good.
And here we wrote the heuristics for
Yeah,
each
yeah,
and every flow,
yeah.
which we found. And
Diagram
here are
A3,
the
non-heuristics.
non-heuristics.
Huh.
Non-heuristics. Here are the problem, the
Hypothesis statement.
hypothesis.
This is diagram A4, right?
Hypothesis. We didn't name it properly.
Huh.
Yeah,
Cool.
A4.
Hmm. Huh. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
No problem. That's clear.
Uh,
Uh,
and those are competitor.
yeah,
So we have done multiple competitor researches. So Swiggy, Instamart, Blinkit, Dunzo,
yeah,
Big Basket, we wrote here also. And we actually mapped those what can be changes from the competitor to this particular place.
yeah,
Like we can replace this with order again things, something like that.
yeah.
Here we can. This is not a clickable one. I don't know why didn't they make it clickable.
Hmm.
It is definitely copied from
It's okay. It's okay.
Blinkit, but
Don't go into the
we
details.
can
I
do
don't
a
have that
proper.
much time.
Yeah.
But good.
Okay. Okay.
Good to see
Yeah.
this. Okay, guys. Awesome. That's great work. Okay. Um, we'll join you back. See you.
Any sort of recommendation, any sort of insight or mentorship guidance on
Ramp up.
how to frame the questions for
Uh-huh.
user interviews?
Just focus on doing the usability test, right? Focus on the flow, focus on what you want to test out of it, come out of, write observation points first, or write the goals first, right? I mean, anyway, the workbook will ask you to do that, but write the goals. What is that you want to validate? Your hypothesis statements are there anyway. Now, based on
Mm.
that, try and do like a usability yourself to start with. Like, what if you are the user? What task will you ask them? So try and do it yourself. So look for whether you're getting enough insights through that task, right? Yeah. So so first one is writing observation points. The next one is asking probing questions. That will naturally happen. Okay. Task, define a task properly. That's it. Yeah.
One task is enough.
Uh,
Couple
no.
of tasks we wrote.
Yeah, you should. That is common sense, dude. Like, I mean, what do you want to find out,
Okay, okay.
and how
Exactly,
much time
exactly,
you have?
exactly.
That's it. Go to your workbook
Yeah.
once. Go to the workbook once. Workbook 2, where primary research is there.
Workbook two is this
Yeah.
workbook two. We didn't
Uh,
write anything in workbook.
it's okay. You don't have to. As long as it's there on the Notion, it's still fine.
Yeah.
Uh, can you show me the primary research yeah, preparation for primary research? Uh, Finding those users. Go down. Define the target users and all this you should do. You can quickly do it. It's fine anyway because it's evaluative. Very quickly you can do it because it's straightforward. I've already given what to whom to target. Okay, go down.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah, finding your users and all, it's fine. Go down.
This is not required, no?
It's okay.
Uh,
It's just,
for hackathon.
yeah, that's it. Huh. Show me the part where writing down the task. Yes. So
Preparation of
CRUT
usability
1,
testing.
CRUT 1, CRUT 1.
One.
Yeah. So here is where you will have to write down all the task, right? So
Mm-hmm.
the task should have be able to take action in the user flow. Avoid writing the task in a manner that give clues or describes what steps to be taken and all that, right? um, yeah,
Yes.
so just yeah, before you approach the user testing, make a list of the tasks that you want the user to be doing in order to check for the usability for the flow. That's it. Very straightforward, common sense. Whatever you think should be tested, just go and ask them and test it out. That's it. Okay. uh, yeah. Okay, that's it.
Obviously, while we are testing with one particular person, we'll get to know that this is not working. Let's
Yeah,
go
yeah,
and use
yeah.
another testing.
Do a trail,
Yeah.
within your group, and then
We want to do it. We want to do with the use at our audience.
oh, sorry, what thing? With me, yeah.
20,
With me, no, I don't have time now. I have to go to all groups and mentor, no. So yeah,
yeah, got it.
go ahead.
But you
Yeah,
anyways know the app in and out. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, it's okay. It's not serviceable in my area, so I don't know it. Mm,
Oh,
yeah.
okay, nice.
ठीक है, see you then. Bye.
Yeah,
Good job,
bye bye.
guys. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys. Hey team.
Hi, Nadeep.
Hi, hi, hi.
It's a
How are you
bit
all doing?
laggy here.
No worries.
Uh,
Just be on
we
video.
are we are managing. Ajitesh had to take a bit time off because his back is paining.
Okay.
So he's just taken a little bit of time off.
He's sleeping, huh?
1 minute, 1 minute. He's sleeping. Yeah, he's actually
Ah,
sleeping.
no worries.
Just
You can take
yeah,
rounds of rest and that's fine. Come on, video, no? Quickly.
yeah, guys. 1 minute. I have to communicate it. To, yeah, Mishra is here. Anoop will be there. Supriya and Atisha. She just went off to do that work. I'll just.
Yeah. Until where are you finished? Until where are you done?
We are right now doing the secondary research part. Like
Okay.
me and Supri, the secondary research in terms of articles, and the others are actually going and doing a comparative analysis. We are just jotting it down. But right now, Anadeep, since we have like one guy down, we have not like gone and updated it directly in the Notion file. We are working it in FigJam. Like everything is there,
Hmm.
organized in a flow kind of way.
Correct. You have to also write the Notion doc. I'll come to that. I'll check that. But yeah, Notion doc is important. Use the workbooks. Uh,
Yeah,
Govin, just like how you wrote a case study from the workbooks, right?
yeah,
Yeah, that's it, dude. Just straightforward. This is what is the problem statement. This is what is the understanding from problem statement. This is what I done. Very straightforward. Just copy, 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 paste. That's it.
yeah.
Right?
We have organized that in the FigJam file only for now.
Acha. Okay, I'll see
Because
that.
right
See,
now one
you don't have
person
anything in
like
the Notion.
we
You don't have anything in the Notion right now.
No,
right
we
now
just
we
have the flow.
Okay, no problem. Then show me your share your screen and quickly show me your. By the way, what do you mean one guy down? Ajitesh is participating, right?
yeah, but his like he has a disc problem.
Okay.
He's like because he was working a lot for the couple of days. Today also because he didn't sleep. No, it's becoming a bit bad. So we thought that we'll just tell him to rest for the time being. If he's able to join, he can join.
Okay, fine. Until when did he participate? Like
He
until
was
what?
there till he was like we were doing it till morning 9, I think.
Huh, no, no, until what
Like
stage was he there?
Ajitesh, he just left 1 hour back. He just left to
Cool.
take rest.
So he was there most of the time, right? ठीक है.
Yeah,
Uh,
he was there. He was
will
helping.
he be able to participate in primary research? Not sure.
Uh, the, not sure because right now we are trying to actually go with the timeline thing that we have set. So it's a bit late already, but
Yeah.
we are trying that so that doesn't bother with tomorrow's work.
Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah. Hmm.
what the problem happens is this documentation is not happening. So what we thought is we'll properly do it in FigJam so that it's easy to drop it into Notion.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. Not a problem. Yeah.
Right, time being that is the plan right now.
Yes. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, show me your screens.
Yeah, who's who's sharing?
You can share because it's giving problem for me on
Okay.
Discord. Discord hate me.
Hey, Ankit, why have you taken full haircut and all, dude?
So actually, to do Dadi.
Couldn't hear him, but yeah. Someone should share the screen quickly.
Yeah, yeah. I'm trying to, but it's not loading.
Anyone else? Supriya or Anup?
Anu, it's getting laggy. Supriya is here.
Still loading. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Please show me your diagram A1. Oh, it's not like that, huh? Okay, fine, whatever. Just show me the way you did it.
Huh? Sorry?
Explain quickly. Problem statement, reason to
Okay.
show us a problem statement. Okay. Uh,
Okay. Okay. I am not able to share. Like, are you sharing?
yeah, yeah,
Okay. So,
we can see Supriya's screen.
okay.
No worries. I
So,
can see problem
Anidit,
statement. I can see the reason to choose the problem statement. What did I understand from the problem statement? All good.
yeah.
Go down. Go down. You
So
wrote
we
the
did a kind
assumptions.
of a group activity with this thing to try and understand different perspectives. So
It's okay. It's
we
okay.
can
Detailed
evaluate the
explanation you
comment.
can give it in your mid review. I just want to see what is there here. So category of the problem
Yeah.
statement, all that. Okay, go down. Go down. Understanding problem statement. Okay, fine. Next stage. Can you show me the things with respect to diagram A1? Where is the flow plotted?
Where it is.
Huh.
This is a heuristic evaluation that we did together.
Yeah, but you also need to have the diagram A1 separately.
Sorry?
Diagram.
Diagram A1.
So, Anudeep, we didn't actually see the example which is given. So, we did
But even
Like,
the workbooks ask you, for diagram A1, A2, and all, right?
make the flow, but we thought we can just do the heuristic
No, you
evaluation.
guys have to realize the importance of documentation and presentation, because if you do, after you do all the work, you have to showcase it in your portfolio, na? Yeah. But it's okay anyway.
yeah, kind of.
Govind is there
Yeah.
who finished a mini project, so I think he'll be able to balance it for you guys. But Govind, yeah,
Yeah.
this is important, okay? ठीक है, see,
Yeah.
probably you don't want to take the textbook approach of calling it A1, A2, but everything needs to be there. Okay, that's what I mean to say. See what happens. No,
Okay.
the reason why I created those diagrams is we when we iterate it out, right? Once we come to a stage, we are putting our hypothesis. If we don't take a snapshot of what happened before that, it's all like all everything is there on the flow only. You will lose what you have done in the previous part of it. Therefore, the diagrams ask you to take snapshots of that particular stage, right, and make a copy of it. You got it? Anyway, cool, no problem. Yeah, this is what? This is with respect to heuristics, huh? This is a heuristic evaluation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You identified heuristics and all that. Okay, great.
We
Uh,
wrote the hypothesis.
yes. So your heuristics, whatever you found out from your heuristics, I hope it is relevant to the problem statement you are solving, right? The flow which
Yeah.
you are,
Yeah.
and the
Yeah.
business metrics. Okay.
It's relevant. We initially we were doing in all directions, and we
Hmm.
kind of understood that it needs to be in that.
Yeah.
It
Business
needs to
particular.
pertain to that problem statement, and then we came back to that, and then we have prioritized, put the priority points for each of them,
Yeah.
and now we are doing secondary research, and also like
Comparative
understanding some
analysis.
behaviors that the users are actually doing for Indians, basically.
Yes. 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 Okay. Go down. Next, show me the next diagram. So this is your diagram A2. Okay, that's what it is. Whatever you showed me just now is the diagram A2. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mapping insights to the users. What is the secondary research? Uh, is there? Just a second, guys. Hello. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. Yes. So you have insights from your secondary research. What are these articles? What all did you do in your secondary
Uh,
research?
Secondary research, we found out like there is this article that says that
No, 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 no.
Indians know that.
Don't give me
Yeah.
explanations. Did you find stats and all? Find stats articles and
Yeah,
all?
yeah,
Okay,
we
good.
found.
Did you do competitor
Yeah,
research?
we are doing that. We are doing that.
Where is that?
Below.
Right below, below, man, competitive.
Okay. Uh, you need to ramp up, guys. This you have to have finished competitor research and got insights from it, and you should already start primary research. This is going a little slow. Okay.
Yeah.
It's important, and you don't have documentation also. So this is going very slow. Quickly ramp up, ramp
Yeah.
up. I think you guys have to. I think all of you are doing together, no? Everything.
Yeah.
You shouldn't do like that. You should split and do things. This is a
We are
hackathon.
splitting it.
Right now we are splitting it. Secondary research we are doing,
Yeah.
and competitive
Ask
analysis
one
setup we
person
will
to
do.
focus on documentation. Ask one person to, you know, put all these insights in one place like that. Just split, take ownership, split,
Yeah.
and you know, I need the documentation. I need the things in FigJam as well, and
Yeah.
you need to also follow the time. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anudeep, how is everybody else doing?
Group 6 though made Notion document till uh, what do you say, secondary research. um, they are now preparing the discussion guide for their primary research, target users and what tasks they have. They're preparing that. The full Notion doc is ready. FigJam, all the diagrams, A1, A2, A4, A3, A4, all the diagrams are ready, everything plotted. So yeah, group 6 is in perfect track. Most until group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them have just finished their secondary research, and everyone is done with their competitive research. Within secondary research, they have finished competitive research and articles, so everyone is just starting up their primary research. Group 6 has the highest progress till now.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's okay, no problem. Just ramp it up now. Sometimes it takes more time in the starting, but you have champs here, Anoop and Govind.
Yeah.
So I think you'll be pretty easily should be able to ramp up quickly. I think at least during the later stages. So saving time there probably. But yeah.
Yeah.
So Anudeep,
Yes.
we are catering house in-house eye checkup. Okay, so other platforms doesn't provide this service. Okay,
Haha.
so
Correct.
for competitive research, what we have thought is we
You
can
don't have
go
to
for a
do direct image computers. Uh, you can call the computer research as research from other places where I can find similar patterns or similar problems which are being solved. Let's say there's some random cab
Mhm.
booking app where you're going and giving an address and ordering something or whatever, right? uh, then can you take some pattern and understanding from that for a relevant problem which is being solved, and can you use it here? Go and get that, right?
yeah, like Upland company, we also take their services, in-house services, right?
Sorry.
Urban company.
Urban company as well, right? Yeah, so in that way you don't have to worry about exact image computers, right? Exact computers doing eye checkup only. Any home services also can be taken, so in that way you will find other inspiration as well. Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, so that's great. Thank you guys. So ramp up, split up, ramp up, and finish this. Okay. High expectation from your group because you all have uh, star members, including Ajitesh, who
Yeah.
worked, who knows everything.
Yeah, but we faced a lot of these roadblocks, unexpected roadblocks along the way,
Mhm.
and I we were like kind of everywhere in the beginning. Like it was like all.
It's spreading around everything.
That'll happen. But anyway, that's what that this is a hackathon. No, you need to always keep pulling back. One person should be a timekeeper and making sure that awesome. Okay, this is the process. Let's follow this. We have to do this. We have to finish it. You have to be a timekeeper. You have to
Yeah,
play the bad guy role.
yeah.
Yeah, probably Supriya should do that. Supriya, you should take the timekeeper role, process check role, okay, and play like keep making sure pulling back to the team to finish things on time. Got it?
Hitesh was doing
Did
that.
she say why or did you say yes?
She's typing, yeah, yes.
Oh, she can't speak, huh? ठीक है.
He is
Yeah. Okay. Got awesome. Awesome. Great. See you guys. Hello everyone. Digit.
Hi, hi Anudeep.
Yes.
Anudeep, everyone has
Digi.
gone
Sleep.
for the user interview.
Oh,
So
that's nice. What all
yeah,
have you finished till now?
so I'm just copy pasting from workbook to Notion everything. So yeah, they just went. So I have three users from my city. Like one is from Chhattisgarh, two
Got it,
are
got it.
from
No problem. Can you share your screen quickly? I'll check the status.
okay, but I have not pasted things on Notion. It's on workbook. Can I show workbook thing?
Okay, it's okay. How much is there in Notion? You show me first, and then go to your workbook, and then show me your fig jam. Okay, that's the order
I'm
we'll
just
follow.
starting with. Can you see it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Copy pasting the from workbook thing.
Uh, okay. Go to the
So
starting. Go to the starting.
hypothetically,
Go to
okay.
workbook one. Uh, but there's nothing on your Notion yet.
No, no, it's there. Can you see my screen?
I think
It's
it's
on
stuck.
Notion.
It is stuck. Can you share again?
1 second. Is it visible now?
Coming up. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
Uh, okay. Okay. Go down.
This is
Problem
there.
statement.
Then
Understanding
the
problem
understanding
statement.
the problem statement.
Yeah. Go down.
And then the flow of the original app.
Okay. Quicker.
Okay, and then the heuristic evaluation.
Okay, you're
Then
copy
the
pasting, that is fine, but you're not writing anything. You're not narrating a story. Story is also important. Just use
yeah,
the.
we thought we will put all the relevant points first, and when we are like at a stable position, we'll start expanding every point.
ठीक है. No problem.
Then the ideation, and then the hypothesis statement. We have written it like this.
Okay.
Seeing the workbook reference, and I was just doing the secondary research, like copy pasting from there to there.
Okay, good. Not a problem. Yeah, show me your fig jam now.
Yeah. 1 second. Yeah, you can see, right?
Yeah. Yeah, show me diagram A1. You've not done it
Okay,
like
so
that. ठीक है. Show me
this
your
is
initial flow. Show me your initial flow.
yeah. So this is the flow that we selected. One from the search bar,
Yeah.
and one we did from the stream thing. So this is the stream thing, and below are the heuristics that we found there.
1 second. Don't,
Because
don't, don't confuse me. Let's go step by step. Uh,
okay,
Show me the first diagram. Uh,
this is the flow that we chose from the search bar. So this is the thing that we see when we open the app.
no, don't
Then
explain me. Your diagrams. Uh, don't explain me. I need to see the first base flow. Show me your base flow.
yeah, this is it.
This is the base flow.
Mhm.
Uh, Build another flow. This should be diagram A1. I need to understand what is the micro flow, what is the macro flow, and put your flow there. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, I need the diagram A1. Okay. This is diagram A2. Here you're plotting. What are you plotting here?
So like right from the start, like when we open the app, the very first screen that we
This
see,
is your
what are
heuristic
the
evaluation, right? This is the heuristic evaluation.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. This is a heuristic evaluation diagram. You're plotting it for one flow here, right? Put all the flows together, all the heuristics which are tracked, and tag that as diagram A2. Okay.
Okay, just the I mean you mean just the screens, right?
No, bro. Are you guys not seeing the example workbook?
No, no, we are seeing that and doing.
Uh, It's clearly given. What is should be there in diagram A1, what should be there in diagram A2, everything is given. It's important to follow that, or else it's very difficult for us to understand what you're doing where. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah. It's important to stitch everything together. Yeah, see, I see you have done a great work. There's a lot of work which is done, but the story is not stitched up yet. Therefore, that is the problem. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Rahul, guide this team a little bit more. See, they have done a lot of work, but the documentation part is where it's getting a little confusing. They have placed everything in different places. Okay?
Okay, okay. After this, I'll explain them.
Explain them. Okay?
Okay.
Uh, yeah. Okay. And that's fine. Show me in competitor research. You have ideation also, which is good. Competitor research.
Uh, 1 second. I think it's in workbook.
Hmm. You have everything. That's a good part. It's just that you've not stitched it and explained it nicely in one
Yeah,
place.
I
Yeah.
mean, it's little. 1 second. Competitive research is here, I guess. Go down. Yeah, here. Sorry.
Hmm. You can also get references from indirect competitors, right? As well. Okay. That's fine.
Okay.
Um, that's fine, guys. Okay, great. Yeah. So ramp up. Good that you
I,
started your
I
primary
have
research.
one question, Manudeep. I want to understand one thing. So
Yes.
this competitive analysis we did, right? And then there was a part for you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
So there was a part for this statistical thing.
Yeah.
So I mean, this is the right way to go about it, or did we mess it up?
No, no. I mean, is that helping you? That's the first question. Is secondary research helping you? What are these insights for?
Okay.
How is it helping you solve the problem statement?
Okay.
No, no.
That
Don't
is
say
what.
okay, okay. Tell me the answer now.
Okay. No, so I think we did it little mistake here.
ठीक है. I think Rahul will dive deeper into your group and explain it a little bit better. Okay. Let me finish the progress checks, and I think you will take a little bit more help from Rahul. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I'll help them out.
Yeah. Okay. Let's finish the progress check. See you guys.
So
Okay. Uh-huh.
I'll stay here only, Nadeep.
Just come to group 9 also. Anyway, you have stayed. You have come to all the groups, no?
No,
Uh,
no, no. It's from 6 onwards, 7 onwards.
अच्छा ठीक है, no problem. Come to group 9 also. Let's quickly check and then you can go back.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Are we like lagging very far behind?
No, no, you're not lagging. Your just documentation is not right. You are in the right track. Okay, because you have started your primary research, so you are in the right track, but you just documentation is not proper.
Okay.
If
We'll
you
work
write proper documentation, no, the thought process will come. Then you'll not be worried about this question. When I ask you why, you can just point out directly. This is why, right? That's the importance of documentation and stitching things together. Because only when you stitch things together, you will start thinking about this. Oh, what's the relation between these two? Okay, they're not falling properly in place. You got it?
on. Okay. Connect the dots.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, okay,
We'll work on.
fine. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Hey, group 9.
Hi.
Hello, everyone. Just come on video
Hello.
quickly if possible. Yeah, yes. What's up, Debbie? What's happening? Shabir. Pushpa is also in this group, huh?
Just going through. Yes, Anudeep.
Yeah, okay. Asha is sleeping, I guess. Hmm. No worries. Okay. Quickly show me your Notion doc.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, so we started with this problem
Timeline
statement.
flow is there, problem statement. Okay, next.
This is the
One
this
second.
is all the thing.
There's a lot of noise coming from somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, this is all the things which were mentioned in the workbook.
Uh, what? What does it mean?
In the first workbook we
Ha
have
ha.
filled
Okay,
it.
okay, okay. This is the first workbook. Huh? Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
okay.
and like not completely.
Mm.
Other things I have filled in this one.
In the end, you will make one single flow, right? Instead of all
Yeah, yeah,
these
yeah,
separate documents. Yeah.
yeah.
Hmm. Cool.
So
What
this
is the
is the
status? Where are you guys? What is up to what did you finish?
we finished the secondary research.
We are doing the primary research now.
Oh, sorry, we yeah. We are doing the primary research now.
Got
We
it.
have done till competitive research,
ठीक है.
and
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Show me each and every aspect. You have stone problem statement, workbook filling, heuristic evaluation. Show me heuristic evaluation.
yeah. So this is the heuristic evaluation.
For every screen you did like that. Okay, no problem. ठीक है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, no
Can
problem.
we show on the we can show on the pick jam
I'll come. I'll
also?
come there. Come there. I need to see the documentation. It has to make sense first. Exam is still fine. Okay, scroll down.
Yeah.
Scroll down. Hmm. Okay. It'll be difficult if you say first screen, second screen, third screen, fourth screen. Instead, put the screenshot and then if you want really probably say it. It's okay, no problem. Huh. Now go to FigJam. Show me FigJam.
Yeah. Can you see my screen? Now can you see?
Yes. Show me your
Yeah.
diagram A1. Not like that. This is the diagram A1. Okay, primary flow. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Diagram A2. That means with your hypothesis. Huh? What is diagram
Yeah.
A2? Hypothesis, I guess.
Yeah. That's one.
Heuristic evaluation. Sorry, heuristic evaluation, please.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Non-heuristic based. Okay, you've mixed both diagram A2 and A3. Okay, no problem. Uh, Fine. And next is hypothesis.
Yes. That's one.
Okay, cool. Secondary research.
Yes.
These hypothesis statements. Secondary research, is it there here?
Yes. Yeah. This is the articles.
Ah, okay, okay, got it. Interesting.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Competitor research.
Yeah.
Acha. Got it. Indirect competitors.
Uh,
Not there.
Pushpa.
The direct in there.
ठीक है, no problem.
What if
This is not there.
direct?
Yeah. Uh, okay, make sure your documentation is a little better. That's the only thing I have for you. Or else, if you have everything, that's going great. Make sure the documentation is a little better. Make sure everything is relevant to the problem you're trying to solve. Um, are you guys finding it going in the good direction? Are you happy with the kind of stuff which is coming?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you're getting ideas. Yeah,
Yes.
awesome. That's great. Yeah, ramp up and do the primary research. It will take some time. Good progress on that. Okay. So, yeah, awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Okay.
Anudeep,
Yes.
let's catch up at Anudeep VC for 2 minutes.
Yes. Yes.